Scissors are cute until your cardstock looks like it lost a fight with a raccoon. Ready for crisp edges, speedy repeats, and zero hand cramps? Our video to the best die cut machines slices through hype and hobby store overwhelm. We compare cutting force, mat size, software quirks, print then cut accuracy, and those tempting bundle extras. Whether you're crafting shirts, stickers, or show-stopping invites, we'll help you pick a machine that turns maybe into nailed it. Clean lines, slick workflow, glorious confetti everywhere. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sizzix Big Shot, our pick for best budget die cut machine. If you want a wallet-friendly die cut workhorse that actually delivers, the Sizzix Big Shot is your crafty co-pilot. Out of the box, you're set. You get a pair of standard cutting pads and a multi-purpose platform, so you can start cutting and embossing without a last-minute supply run. With a roomy 14.2 5-inch by 12.36-inch active surface and an A5-sized opening, you'll whip up cards, tags, decals, quilt pieces, appliques, and fashion embellishments like you've been doing it for years. You're not limited to paper either. Slice and emboss everything from tissue and cardstock to felt, cork, and even balsa wood. Perfect for mixed media projects and how did you make that? Moments. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned maker, the crank feels smooth, the results land crisp, and your projects look instantly more professional. Compatibility is generous too. The Big Shot works with the full Sizzix library, which means your design options grow as your creativity does. Today's scrapbook layouts become tomorrow's party decor and next month's boutique-worthy gifts. Same machine, new tricks. Setup is simple, learning is quick, and the results are addictive. If you want reliable cuts, clean embossing, and a budget die cut machine that pulls above its class, the Big Shot keeps your craft table busy and your ideas rolling, one satisfying crank at a time. Number 4. Cricut Explore 3, our pick for best die cut machine for most crafters. If you're the kind of crafter who wants ideas to go from to heck yes without a fuss, the Cricut Explore 3 is your sweet spot. You get a roomy 245 square inch active area to spread out vinyl, cardstock, and all those Pinterest-fueled projects you swore you'd do someday. Today's the day. Swap between 6 compatible tools to cut, score, write, and add slick details. No drama, just precise results that make your old scissors feel like relics. The real flex? Smart materials. Load, press, go. No mat, no fiddling. Just long, clean cuts that keep your momentum intact. Planning a last-minute banner, labels for your pantry glow-up, or a stack of greeting cards that actually look store-bought? You'll cruise through them faster than your group chat can say DIY legend. Bluetooth keeps your setup clutter-free, so you can design from the couch, the craft table, or that corner you call Studio B. It's responsive, steady, and ready when your creativity hits at odd hours. You want pro-looking projects without a pro-level learning curve. The Explore 3 nails that balance. Fast, friendly, and versatile enough to grow with you. Start simple, level up as you go, and watch your crafting queue shrink while your compliments pile up. Still searching for the perfect die cut machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Spellbinders Platinum 6, our pick for best heavy-duty manual die cut machine. If your craft plans involve tough materials and tougher deadlines, the Spellbinders Platinum 6 is your bring-it-on machine. Built with the same VersaCut tech as the full-size Platinum, it delivers serious strength, pressure, and durability without hogging your workspace. You get a compact 6 square inch active area that punches way above its footprint, perfect for detailed dies and small batch projects that still need pro-level precision. You're not just cutting paper, you're conquering leather, wool, craft metal, even balsa wood, because your ideas don't stop at cardstock. The Platinum 6 can slice through up to 8 layers of most materials in a single pass, so you spend less time cranking and more time creating the stuff people ask, "Where did you buy that?" Daily usability is where it shines. The collapsible handle is smooth and sturdy, then tucks away when you're done. Fold-up sides make storage blissfully simple. Slide it on a shelf, stack it in a cube, or keep it on the cart without clutter chaos. The modern minimalist design looks clean on your desk, but the performance is all muscle. When you want a heavy-duty, manual die-cut workhorse that handles premium materials and high volume without the learning curve, this is it. Load your layers, roll with confidence, and let the Platinum 6 turn "Can I?" into "Nailed it." Number 2. Brother ScanNCut SDX85C, our pick for best compact DIY scan and cut machine. If you want a compact cutter that's smart enough to read your mind and your drawings, the Brother ScanNCut SDX85C is your crafty co-pilot. With a built-in scanner, you can turn hand-drawn doodles into cut files, align layers perfectly, and guess and check goodbye. That 7-square-inch work area is small but mighty, ideal for stickers, decals, labels, paper crafts, and precision pieces that need finesse more than floor space. The plastic build keeps it light, your desk stays uncluttered, and your projects stay on schedule. You're ready to make things right out of the box with 251 built-in designs. When you want more, load custom files via USB or pull patterns wirelessly. The 3.5-inch touchscreen makes tapping through options feel intuitive, not intimidating. Like scrolling a phone, but for crafting wins. Blade drama, not here. The auto blade and holder use real material sensor tech to detect thickness, so you don't have to fiddle with settings. Cardstock today, vinyl tomorrow, felt on Friday. Just drop it in and let the machine handle the adjustments. Pro tip: do a quick test cut to lock in clean edges and save your favorite materials from whoops moments. For DIYers who love precision without the homework, this little scan and cut star brings your ideas to life fast, tidy, and totally your style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cricut Maker 3, our pick for best die-cut machine overall. If you want a craft room powerhouse that keeps up with your ideas, Cricut Maker 3 is your ride or die. It's pro-level fast, up to 2 times quicker than the original Cricut Maker, and packs 10 times the cutting force, so thick tricky materials stop being a dare and start being your daily routine. With a roomy 288.75 square inch active surface area, you've got space to stage full projects, not just test scraps. You'll cut 300 plus materials: vinyl, cardstock, fabric, balsa, leather, chipboard, felt, even delicate crepe, without breaking your flow. Pair it with smart materials for true load and go sessions. No mat, no fuss, just long, continuous cuts for banners, decals, bulk labels, and batch orders. Bluetooth keeps your desk clean and your setup flexible. Design on the couch, cut at the table, and keep your creative zone uncluttered. Whether you're refining a brand kit, kitting out a classroom, dialing in cosplay armor, or gifting personalized everything, your lines stay sharp and your edges stay clean. The payoff? Projects that look retail ready, a process that feels intuitive, and results that scale with your ambitions. You dream it, you prep it. Maker 3 handles the precision, again and again, without whining. If you're ready to move from cute craft to crafted like a pro, this is the upgrade that respects your time, your budget, and your standards. Load, cut, weed, wow. Repeat. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best die-cut machine. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which die-cut machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos.